There's two more herbs that I love taking, and I take these two herbs every other day or when I feel like I'm about to get sick. And hey, my name is Mama Love, and we are on our healing journey. Those two herbs are turmeric and ginger. If you are having really bad digestion problems, take you some ginger. I even make ginger and turmeric soap. If you're interested in that, click the link in my bio. Turmeric is really good for inflammation in the body. So inflammation comes from if you eat a lot of pork or dairy or chicken. You can have swelling in the joints. Turmeric can help get rid of that. Ginger could be like a mini detox. If you have nausea, take some ginger. Turmeric is really good for the skin also. Turmeric will lighten dark spots from scars. Ginger will keep your immune system on point. And if you feel like you're about to get sick, ginger will knock that out the park. But if you like this video, comment. If you have any questions, comment. Peace, love, and happiness. I'll see you in the next video.